Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. This is ELMMMER here, and how are you all doing? I am back playing Unraveled, or Unravel, whatever you want to call it. This little guy is ready for the next mission. Come on, Yarn Boy, we can do this. Alright, got through that. Why are the tweezers glowing? That's weird. Okay. Woo! I can swing. Does that mean I can pull the door or something? Can I go in there? Is there more this way? Can't go through the door, I guess, that way. I'll pull myself back up like a freaking mountain climber. Come on, you can do it. I don't understand the purpose of that, but okay. Yeah. So many things are glowing. Why are they glowing now? Are those memories? Everything is glowing here. Guess those are some of the things I found throughout the thing. I guess those are the secrets. Oh, I got up on top of here. That's a first. Can't get over there. Can't go under the table. There's gotta be another picture frame somewhere. Where am I supposed to go? I can't pull the door open. Oh, there's a picture right there. Ah, I see. There's a picture up there too. Ah, so that's where I'm supposed to go to. These ones, okay. Well, okay. Off the rails. We'll go to that one then. And zoom into the epic looking picture. D loves K, huh? Definitely more family stuff. Look at me, I'm just like peeking out. Like, what's going on? Into another crazy looking forest area. Like pine trees and everything. Little ferns. Am I gonna run into a memory here in a second? Oh. I don't want to get hit by a train. Come on. Like, you're just looking at the screen the entire time. He's just staring into my soul as we will run across the screen, I guess. There we go. Now look forward. And then I'm guessing that's them carving into the tree, huh? Looks like two young girls or something. Big old rock. Wah! Spider-Man. I don't know why I've been doing that the entire time. Another birdie. I don't want to get eaten. Dragonflies. I'm guessing I gotta do this. Yep, and I should be able to use it as a trampoline. Maybe? Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh. Okay. Pull that. Well, that's rocking it. Huh. Ah, there we go. Oh, crap. Can I tie it? No, that's not what I want to do. Tie it to this. You can't go anywhere. Ah! Pull myself back up. I messed up there. I see what I did. At least my yarn didn't get trapped over there. Ah! Yeah, I think I'm gonna die this time. So close. Dang it. Gotta do it again. So you have to do this so you can bounce up. And then bounce up. Grab a hold of that. Pull it down. Come on. And that should tie that. Alright, I'm going to lower myself a little bit more and then start swinging. And hit that, but I got enough to clear that. Alright. Oh! No, 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 no. Dang, water does not like me. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I need that, don't I? Can I not push those? Nope. Oh, the water took off with it. That sucks. How am I supposed to get it now? I can't jump over this. Ah, I'm gonna die. I'll restart that, dang it. I gotta like jump on the log as soon as it falls down. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna land on it. I guess I didn't really need to do that. Come on. I guess I could have just waited till the log went over. There's so many things, I guess I just make it too complicated. It's a lot more simple than it needs to be. Alright, now I'll just let myself float over. That'll probably work. Alright, now I can pull myself up. And where do I go from here? I can jump onto that. Oh! Do I gotta jump onto the windowsill? Nope, 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 nope. I'll just swing. Come on. And swing life away. There we go. And pull myself up. I kind of like the music in the background. Do 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 do. Kind of comforting. Pull myself up. Can I just? Come on. Woo. Woo. Nope. Gonna die. Come on, I gotta. How close to the water I gotta get? Freaking close. And he's not. Yeah. Come on, you can get that. Let my feet catch. Come on. Nope. Forget that. Don't need that collectible. Not worth dying over. Pain in the butt. Come on. Now jump. There we go. But I gotta do the same thing here. You guys are just hanging out on the dock together, huh? And swing. Got it. More yarn for me. Swirl! Do the swirl now. Do the swirl now. Why are you giving me so much more yarn right off the bat? And a double swirl. That's how I like my ice cream. Double swirl. Interesting. Oh, I got the freaking water thing going. The water wheel. Oh! No! No, no, no! It's gonna bring me up. Oh. Did I just break something? Okay, I dropped this down. Freaking mic in the way. Why are the zoom in? Ah. More swirl. Oh, this just got machinery epic, huh? Oh. I can get crushed. And I did. Why I pulled back, I don't know. Yep, I saw that coming. Ah! Gotta do this perfect. Now what? I got to jump onto there? Oh no! Pain in the butt. This is some crazy platforming. No! Slam my head. Okay, it's a lot harder than it looks. It's like every time it like cancels me out. That's freaking weird. Yeah, because I have to go back across, it looks like. Dang it. Grab on, why don't you? Woo. 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 I hit the wrong button. Dang it. Not easy. Wow, that was freaking close. Pain in the butt. Wow, I'm glad there was only 3 of those. And now I get to go back out. The music got intense there for a second during that part 2. Why are you slowing down though? Oh. I'm guessing that's how I get up here though. Oh. I need you. Can I tie to that? And then I can. Come on. You know you want to tie to that. There we go. Oh, how far? There we go. I'm on top of it now. Slide that up, strong little wool man. You got this. Crap. Can I not grab it now? What was the purpose of that? Okay. Ah. It weighs me down. So now that I can get over here. Oh. Freaking teeter-totter. Come on. I'm so close to you. Yep. Swirl! Okay. Do the swirl now. I can't go over there, of course. But I can... Well, that was ingenious. I don't know why I got that first try, but that works. Of course. Because I need that to go up. Oh my god, I got that with like luck. Come on, pull! There you go. No! Stay! Well, I did that with pure luck. That was all accident. Don't want to die by freaking jumping over. Am I gonna acting like he's cold? Yeah, it's like I'm shivering or I'm like... Really, can I move this rock? Okay. I have a feeling that maybe I can move it. Oh. Okay, so I'm guessing I need to get this rock. Come on. Was that not pull you down? So then maybe I don't need to do anything with that? Oh, you really? I can't jump over that. Come on. You know you look like you want to break. Maybe I can do that. Will this way? Oh, damn it. I think I just screwed myself, didn't I? Maybe not. Maybe I can pull myself up over. Come on. Guessing when the rock is down here, it's down here for good then. Can I push it even further? Okay. Well, I put the rock in there, so... Is that gonna fall down as soon as I put my weight on here? I can just barely get over now. And the purpose of that was to get up there. Come on, little guy. He is freaking out in this area. Urgh. Does untying that? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I wanted it that far up. That works though. I think this time I can... Come on. You know you can make that jump now. Wow, what the fudge. Dang it. There we go. Huh. So do I need to tie this and then maybe I can pull it up after? Cool. Forgot how. How do I pull back? Huh. There's some way, okay. So I'm gonna push this tree. Oh. Oops, god dang it. I don't want to tie to that. I want the tree all the way up. As high as possible. Alright, now I should be able to climb up. And hopefully it's gonna stay. There we go. Shouldn't be that complicated, but I made it that complicated. What is that? That rock wants to fall down. Okay. I can make a bridge or a trampoline. Smack my freaking head. There we go. And okay. Can make another trampoline. Is there something up there I can grab onto? Oh, it's the vine right there. Whoa. Almost got crushed there. Of course, make me go back and forth, huh? Oh! Shit! Got crushed. Did not expect an extreme-sized boulder to come flying across and destroy the log. I should have. That log was placed in such a way that I should have figured it was going to get messed up. Alright. Tie it there. Tie it there. And I gotta sneeze. Ah! Make this jump. And then when I get up there, I gotta be quick about that. Alright. I'd swing over. And I can pull myself up like a mountain climber. And then up onto the trampoline I go. Poof. This has definitely been the more challenging map so far in this entire thing. Get close! Woo! So many things falling down. Freaking Avalanche City. No! Yeah. Glad I saw that freaking rope at that last second. Yay, Swirl Town! And another memory. Like an old man and a young man mountain climbing, huh? Somebody's been through these woods before. Grab that memory and just this is dangerous. Oh my gosh. No. Wow. Everything is trying to freaking kill me. Run! Woo! That was freaking close. Dang. How close? I gotta be getting close to the end. This has been one of the longer maps, too. No! Fudge. I had no idea what to do at that moment. Oh! Tying myself off was not the right response. I don't know if I can jump up to that one up there. Dang it. Yep, I'm gonna get crushed again. Damn it! I'm guessing right there is the spot where I gotta be. I'm an idiot. Why I didn't see that. No! Roll over my head. Or not. Maybe, maybe not. I can't really duck. The only other thing to do is to run. Come on, run! Run! My guy does not run. He doesn't run very fast. I'm jumping. That worked. Come on, he just like... I guess jumping was about the only way I was gonna get down there. I'm pretty much the freaking counterweight. Dang it. Stay. I got nothing to tie it to. Wow. I'm thinking I gotta grab this, pull, 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 and then the rock stays behind it. Okay. So now that I got the rock there to hold it. What? You climb on it now? What the fudge game? Ugh. Woo. Okay. The wire let loose. Get a little bit more slack. Try this again. Swing. Whoa! I flung myself on that one. I can climb the wires. This little guy should be able to climb on everything then. Oh no! I don't know where I was going on that one. Okay. Alright, so swing again. And here I go again. Whoa. Oh, I gotta... How am I supposed to get up there in time? Can I rock this thing? Rock it! There we go. That was about the only thing I could figure out, was to maybe rock it like that. And swirl. Okay. Whew. I'm getting this. I'm getting it. Probably sometimes this takes me a little bit longer than it should have. I see. I saw that like with a glimpse of my eye. Ah. Woof. Alright. So maybe I can... There we go. Going to the very tip top. Like, this started off as a nice forest area, and now I'm in a crazy electrical plant. Come on, go forward. Like, you don't get to press straight, you gotta like press it at like an angle on the controller, which is weird. There's padlocks all over the place. I've seen fences like that as like in memories of like people. Okay, so they put the padlocks there. There's actually, I think, a bridge that's like that I've seen. No! Don't... He freaked out there for a second. He was like, my little number 8. Yeah, I got it for good. Ain't letting go. Ain't letting go. Well, another memory found. Yay! And let the magical aura fill the book with more memories. Well, I'm gonna end the video there, as I think I saw there was like 2 more photos up above I need to do to maybe complete the game. I don't know, unless there's more areas after that. We'll find out. But until next time, you know, this is Metal ELMMER, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, but like I said, I'm probably gonna end the video right there. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a lot more challenging than I ever expected it to be, at least on that one, so I'm guessing the next 2 are gonna be challenging too. But again, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Down there, you know where it's at. Give the like button a love tap. And again, this is Metal ELMMER, and I'll see you later.